Hi sweet friend, I'm Sprout. Let's make something cozy together. Wrap it around your finger. Make a magic ring. Go into the ring and pull up a loop. Chain 1 to start the round. This won't count as a stitch. Work 10 single crochets into the ring. If you'd like, place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Once you have all 10, pull it snug. Slip stitch to join. Chain 3. Yarn over. Go right into that same stitch. Make 3 unfinished double crochets. Into the next stitch, same thing. You should see 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 7 loops. Chain 4. After your chains, slip stitch into that same stitch. Gently shape the petal. See, your first petal is done. Let's do it together again. Chain 3. Yarn over. Go into the next stitch. Nice and slow here. Next stitch, 3 unfinished double crochets again. Perfect. Keep going. Now you have 7 loops on the hook. Yarn over. Pull through all of them. Chain 4. Slip stitch into the same stitch. It should look like this. Keep going until you have 5 petals. After the last one, cut the yarn. Tie the 2 ends together. Snug it up gently. Your flower base is finished. Wrap it around your finger. Make a magic ring. For the center, go into the ring and pull up a loop. Chain 3. Make 5 unfinished double crochets, all into the ring. Once you have 5, you'll see 6 loops on your hook. Yarn over. Pull through all 6 loops. Chain 4. After chaining 4, slip stitch into the ring. Cut the yarn. Pull it snug. Tie the ends at the back. Your little center is ready. Glue it right onto the petals. Take your time, I'm with you.